Assalamualaikum, selamat pagi. Good morning to everybody. Today our class is on forecasting demand. In all your projects, all your objective, all your activities on all that. SMLT is smart, specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-based. Option for assessing demand. Actually, good forecast is actually will result in our good management and low stocks and low inventory. As you know, inventory is very critical for our investment, for our costing. Okay? And demand and forecast is very important to have our factories or our operations become more profitable and more better operation. Actually, the data must be very accurate on all the demands, and including other than normal is actually if you have a one-off promotion, sales campaign, and other special order or something. It depends on all this demand. Yes, the other than that is normal is we normally looking to the history 3 years before, 5 years before. All those history also very important for us to forecast our demand. Okay, type of inventory for forecast we have many approach like market research, market demand, historical technique, minimum stock level, demand pattern. All this approach is very useful in our basis to have a good forecast for our demand. Market research, actually there is a good company, there is a way of doing forecast everything because they also doing the market research and market trend. What is the current demand and current trend for our products or our service, and how is their react to improvement or maybe others our competitors. That's a market demand model. Okay. We have many factors, especially on competitors also. And our example, we launch new product. How about competitors? What is their new product? That's a forecast for each product. Okay. Historical techniques. Normally, this is very important criteria, which is we see last 3 years, 5 years, even 10 years. The monthly forecast or even weekly forecast for a certain period of time. Example, we forecast for holiday or special event and all that. Okay. And minimum stock level, we have study also historical of stock level, and this is very critical for stock that how we supply, how long is like lead time, how long the order from customer, how frequent customer change the order. This is the critical part also for the forecast and demand. Pattern is actually some product we have pattern and we have lead time. Example, some product like handphone, laptop, they have shorter lead time, shorter demand profile, shorter pattern, which is always change. Our competitor change the specification of that. We also have to plan or at least react to the demand pattern. The product life cycle, actually the product itself, it has 4 or 5 steps of life cycle. It depends on the product itself. The length of product life cycle is depend on the product itself. Some products 1 year, some products 2 years, some product even 3 months. They change specs, they change the product. Example, we have fluctuation and decline. Some product they have revival, some product are decline and stop. Example, we see this after the product development we introduce, then product is increase and later down decline. If we take on the profit, beginning of the interaction, of course, no profit or even loss because we invest. Then after that, profit increase. Some profit is increased until in the end. Some slower, depend on product itself. Okay, and for service itself, we have also their own plan on this product life cycle. Okay, and this is that we face design and development phase, forecast demand and all that. This beginning. Okay, this beginning phase is very critical, especially on product product, something like what is our goods, what is our best, what is our offer to the customer. That's the promotion and also marketing is critical here. If we didn't invest on marketing, we didn't invest on promotion, then our product will be slow or even low sales and become bad for our profit. Okay. Even a big brand also, they always make promotion, they always make marketing to maintain or to improve their branding, something like that. Okay, supply phase. Okay, this is the second stage or something like from the product life cycle. Okay. Then obsolete phase, something like we inventory planner involved as a requirement for the product line. Say that's the obsolete phase. Okay. Cost of accuracy, of course, we have a lot of issues and problem. And very good planner is actually can focus in very good accuracy or less error. Okay, example, the forecaster they have some accuracy like inaccurate data, sales information, statistics, some bias, speed response to change, also some assessment poor supply, there's a lot of detail of shortage of data or even bad supplier. Okay, example, some supplier give wrong forecast data for our main parts. Also, that's also part of the data for the forecasting and demand. Okay. The accuracy of data, we have a lot of poor availability and vulnerable customer change the demand at very late, and we cannot react and then like many things. Okay. Sales information. Sometimes we also use sales information, and the change is we have to do it quickly. Otherwise, we have some high forecast but low sale. Then we lost the many things on we lost on the stock itself. But if we have low forecast but high sales, then we have lost the opportunity to sell our product because we don't have product but demand is very high. That's the bias. Get the data right, then we can forecast. This is on side of bias. Okay, speed of change. Okay, we have to quickly react to our change, and especially change on demand, change of customer order, change on forecast, change on whatever things that react to the forecast quantity. Speed of change, poor assessment of supply capability. Sometimes we can do it, we can have a quantity, but our production or supply capacity or capability, we have a problem on the quantity itself, for example. Okay, extra demand for the forecast, inclusion of some, like we have campaign, we have special offer, hour or anything, happy customer appreciation, and this is extra demand that we have to consider in our forecast. Okay, data shortage, we have some good historical data, but sometimes some data is missing or some data is wrongly given to the planner or forecaster, and shortage of data will be a bad move to the short forecast. Okay, the size of uh, sample size example, we have this type of effect on sample size and accuracy data. Okay, method of improving forecast on feedback. Okay, we have example ensuring the forecast to modify the actual demand, re-evaluate the forecast, then also to optimize the stock, because all this will impact on our operation and our profitable. Okay. If we do bad forecast, then our inventory will be too high or too low, then will affect our sales and opportunity. Okay. Data aggregation, we have some data, example, risk of the data itself, undetected population of change, demand data that modify user practice, and wider geographic population. Example, we have different regional pattern, different demand pattern. All this is very critical to the forecaster. Okay. Comparative item, we have random fluctuation for some forecast demand, and some other like find similar item which expect to have some same demand. Okay. That's the comparatively we have to have also uh, some major focus on. We reduce this, but we have to increase that.